Hey everybody, today I'm going to be working on my 2018 Jeep Renegade. Today we're going to be doing the power transfer unit, aka the transfer case, and the rear differential, which there's no aka on this because they change the names of certain parts as they become newer and to throw people off, I guess, so mechanics like me can't work on these cars anymore. But we're going to jump right into this and get you on your way. This here is one of the tools you're going to need today. This is a fluid transfer pump. One end goes into the bottle. The other one is out, which goes into your power transfer unit. And also into your differential because you can't really get the bottle here into the nozzle. This here is the fluid we'll be filling our Jeep Renegade with today. This is a 75W90. This is a full synthetic. And you want synthetic in your Jeep Renegade because everything in your Jeep Renegade is synthetic. For the fluid today, you're going to need at least 0.42 quarts for the power transfer unit. You're going to need 0.63 quarts for the rear differential. There's not much fluid in these at all. If you go somewhere, they're going to charge you 70 bucks to do that, to do the power transfer unit. Then they're going to charge you 75 bucks to do the rear differential. But today your work is only going to cost you $40. You're going to be only doing this for 40 bucks instead of paying over 100 bucks to do this. So let's jump right into what we got to do here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this here is your rear differential. You need a size 10 Torx head. This here is your fill hole. Always take the fill hole one out first, because if you drain it and then you can't take that one out, you lose your car, you ain't got no way around. There's your drain. This is actually nicer than the old ones because the old ones used to have a fill here and a drain down here, but now it's completely on the bottom. So as long as you got it kind of level, you're going to get rid of all that old fluid that's in there. For the fill hole, you want to go counterclockwise, but as it turns out, as I got to the drain hole, you want to go clockwise with it. Now that we've got her drained, we're going to do the refilling process. You put one end of the tube from the fluid pump in, put the other tube all the way down to the bottom of the refilling fluid. Just put that at the very top, don't put it all the way down in there. Put it in there enough where it won't squirt out. Now you're going to want to refill this until it kind of just starts dripping from the refill hole. You don't got to worry about the measurement on that because that's the proper measurement is right there at the fill hole. Now that we're done with the rear differential, we're going to work on the PTU, the power transfer unit. To get to the refill bolt on the PTU, you're going to have to take your passenger side tire off. And that hole that's right there, that is where the refill for the PTU is. So here we got this black piece here. It comes over to here. And then right above in here, right in there, that's where your refill is that you have to get from the passenger side tire area. And then this right here is your drain plug. And you can see that directly on the bottom of it, right beside the flex pipe to the right of it. Once you have your PTU fluid drained, put your drain plug back in and refill to the required amount. Well guys, that's how you change your rear differential and your power transfer unit. I keep stalling on that power transfer unit, but it used to be the transfer case. Well anyway, that's how you do it on a 2018 Jeep Renegade. I'll be showing you the years that follow that model. At this current time, this is the only video that shows you how to do that on a Jeep Renegade. There's no video, there's no current information on how to do it step by step. I will put a step-by-step intro and words in the description for those who like to read along instead of watch a video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great day.